Hi, good afternoon and welcome to today's video. And today we're at the YHA National Forest. And the YHA, if you are visiting here, got a large car park just round the back there. And if you are looking to stay in better times, there's a campsite over that way. And the accommodation here is actually really nice, isn't it?
Yeah,
it's
they do ensuite rooms and all
yeah,
sorts
ensuite
now.
rooms and everything. So it's a good place to base yourself if you are exploring the area. And today we are doing a short walk from here to Albert Village Lake, and there's a trail that runs up along the old former railway line there, and
Walk or cycle.
yeah, we can walk or cycle, but we're walking today, and we're going to go around the Albert Village Lake, which was a former clay pit and general mess for ages, wasn't it? So hopefully we should show you how it looks now and how it's improving. Yeah, so we're just going to the top of the site here, and we'll join the old railway line. So we've found another one of these sculptures here, and this is the Moira Junction South. It's on the Ashby and Nuneaton Joint Railway, which carried Leicestershire coal for over 90 years. If you take that junction there, that takes you back to Conker's attraction, and we're following this route here. So there's a sign, look, Conker's, Booththorpe that way. We've obviously done Booththorpe on one of the other travels, and we're following the Ashby Wolds Heritage Trail towards Castle Gresley. Okay, we're going to cross straight over the road here and follow the line of the railway line. So we're just going to keep following this railway line for probably a mile towards Albert Village. Not very exciting, so I won't show you all the way along it. Flat and straight really, probably better on a push bike. Oh, we're near the end of this stretch now, coming up to Occupation Road, and we're going to cross this road up here and go through Swains Park Wood, I should say. Again, part of the National Forest. Still heading towards Albert Village. Busy, isn't it? Wow. There you go. Albert Village Lake, quarter of a mile. Booththorpe, 2.5 miles, or 2.25 miles. Come on, Carol. Trying to point to where we are. We are here.
So we've just done that.
Yeah, and we're going to do
down the lake,
that, and we're going to come back.
onto the main road here, and we're going to have a look over here at the new lake.
Yeah. And there's a lake in front of us, which we're going to go all the way around. Did they have kids working in? They did have kids working in the pipe yard, didn't they? I mean, I suppose this was a clay hole, wasn't it, at one time? So. Yeah.
She just rides on.
Well, you can still you can still find pottery with Moira pottery written on it, can't you? It was a big pottery area.
Your little cash pot that you put your
that's
coins in from
Moira pottery. Right, so we're going to basically follow this lake all the way around. Wow, super busy today round here. But it's what you expect when you've got tarmac paths around a nice lake. But this did used to be just a clay hole, a right mess. Help! You doing, kids? I think that's Daddy Swan over there with his wings arched. Hello. Hello. We haven't got food. Sorry, no food. Well guys, we're leaving Albert Village Lake behind us now, climbing up to the main road. Hopefully I can show you the view across the other side where the latest reclamation work's going, and they've just planted hundreds and hundreds of new trees. That side over there is still an industrial complex. It's still digging stuff out of the ground there. Hopefully, across the road here, I'll show you. Right guys, well you may have seen some drone footage there, if it worked. This guy's a Spring Cottage and we're still on the Conkers circuit. On the last leg now, just coming into Conkers Discovery Centre. Conkers Discovery entrance here. Weird that there's nobody here, but normally be a really busy day today, wouldn't it? Be packed. Obviously the car park's empty, but the heart of the National Forest Foundation. This foundation stone was laid by the Right Honourable Chris Smith MP. You remember Chris Smith MP?
Yeah.
Vaguely. Secretary of State for Culture, Media and Sport and Chairman of the Millennium Commission on Friday the 15th of October 1999. Right guys, well behind us is the old Rawdon pit site where the Conkers Discovery Centre is, and this tunnel we're going used to connect the old pit site to what we called as Bath Yard.
Ooh, it's dripping. It's just dripped on me. Hello.
So, just through the trees there is the Moira YHA. It's just a different way of getting back to it. So how many miles have we done today, Carol?
5.3 miles. So there
5-mile circuit, so not too bad. Anyway guys, thanks a lot for coming along with us today, and if you've enjoyed the walk today, there's probably more to come on this channel, and thank you very much for watching, and bye bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.